Octagon. She's going after Zagat.
What a move!
What a move! All right, well, we're back here at UFC 266.
She's got great head movement. She's very hard to hit.
Oh, a beautiful counter.
What a kick! She's got power! She's got back solidly!
What a counter. He's going airborne.
She dodges! Oh my goodness! What a move! She's a beast! What a fight! What?
A little bit more aggressive. That's a nice knee.
Oh, what a punch! Elbows and knees. She's hurt. She's hurt. She's hurt. We're seeing something very unusual here.
What is she doing?
She's getting into the octagon. She's going after Zagat.
What a move!